Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever, good night, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to the channel. So today is Monday. It's Monday afternoon. I had a late start to my day, but today we are getting our life together. It is January the 6th and it's about time we get our lives together. Let me put this back so I don't look at it. So today I am basically just cleaning my room. Today is just more of a cleaning my room. This is today's goal. I'll show you guys. Today's goal is just to get my room cleaned, right? I'm not going to be doing a major clean with me on this channel, but if you want to see me clean my room, if you want to see me clean my room fully, go on to my other channel and you guys will see it. So right now, like I said, I'm cleaning my room. I have to get my life in order because I have to start working on my dissertation because I'm a final year student and a dissertation needs to be finished before I go back out to school. My classes don't start back until February, but I'm working out. I'm working on it all of January. So we are getting our lives together. If you are sitting down watching this vlog, get up, clean your room, get your life together, and yeah. So I am about to do that, and first thing first, I need some water, and then I'll most likely get started in the clean with me. But I need to open my windows because I like to open my windows when I clean my room. It just gives me more clarity, and then life will be nice. I think I made some progress. Even though my bed kind of looks crazy, I made some progress over here. I cleared off this shelf. I still have that stuff to do. I have down there just taking away basically all the stuff I had from last year in terms of school and stuff, taking it off and just making it new, just making it clean and making room for everything that I have to do this year. So this is what we're looking at, dealing with, like I told you guys, in some of these earlier vlogs before in last year, I was waiting until January to deal with this. It's January, we have to deal with this situation here, so that's what we do. Oh, I cut my nails, kind of. I left my pinky finger nails, but more or less I cut my nails. Oh, I organized my shoe rack, and I still have that section to deal with. I like to deal with my room in different sections because it's so much easier to clean and just compartmentalize everything. So that is today's big project, to finish clean my room today, and my next project will be to just utilize this desk. Clean my room today, just take a day to clean my room, and that's it. I'm taking breaks in between because I need breaks, but other than that, we're doing okay. I'm doing okay in terms of cleaning the room. My closet is still a mess. I have to like literally declutter everything that is there. I'm not even sure you can see it. Hold on. I have to literally declutter everything that is there in those like 2 shelves there, because I don't wear those clothes, so I need to get rid of them because we're not bringing things that we don't use in 2019, that we didn't use in 2019 into 2020, even though we already bought them in, but you know, kind of just visualization kind of thing. So, and it stopped raining and the sky is so pretty. Could you see that? I'm not sure if you could see it. Could you see? The sky is blue. Anyways, so I'm going to get back into cleaning my room, and yeah, hopefully the next update that I show you guys, I will be finished with this section because I have a feeling it might take me 2 days to clean my room, but whatever. Yeah, bye. Hey guys, so it is currently 7 or 10 past 10 no, it's 10 past 7, and we have made progress, guys. I have made so much progress. I didn't want to show you guys me cleaning because, like I said, it makes no sense. You could find me cleaning on my other channel, but I will show you guys what I've done so far. So basically, I cleaned this. You remember this used to look so much trashy before. Like, I put my books, this is a mirror I have to put up on my walls, and I kind of clean my desk, kind of. It's an organized mess. So I fixed my shoes. I traded the brown thing you guys saw with this rolling thing. I cleaned on top of my vanity, just has electronics, and I cleaned on top of my dresser. Now all I have to do is pull my clothes, put away my suitcase, and declutter that. But I think most likely I'll probably do it tomorrow. But other than that, I have been good lately. Like, I have not done anything editing wise. Okay, I'm going to make it my goal not to say that I'm editing, because that is just, it's so trashy. But I'm not going to say anything about editing. But anyways, so that is all I've done today. I've accomplished a lot. I feel like I can start my week really awesome. I'm not doing schoolwork tonight. Most likely, oh gosh, I was about to say edit. Most likely I'll edit another vlog for tonight to go up for Tuesday, because I was originally going to try to get a vlog up today, but I woke up too late to start working on that. So I'm going to work on it now. Well, not now, until like I want to fold my clothes and get rid of a lot of baskets in my room. So that's my goal. I was thinking I should get a new desk. I want to get a new desk that is like white and replace this desk. So I'm on the hunt for a new white desk, but I'm not sure if I want a new white one. I found one that is small enough to fit this way, which is good. So I have like this whole entire space, but do I really want to switch where my desk? I don't know, okay? It's crazy. But and I could have hung up my photos, but I have anxiety and I don't want to hang them up yet, so I don't know. That's all today. Today has been a pretty boring day. So depending on how long this video is, I might combine it with tomorrow's vlog. Tomorrow I'm supposed to be going out with Mama. We usually try to do that like once a month, every month, to just, you know, just hang out with each other. So tomorrow most likely I'll probably do that. And yeah, I have to wash. I have to wash. But if I don't, I have to wash my clothes. Ugh. If I don't come back onto this particular vlog today or for the rest of the evening, I just want to say I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below, telling me what thing you did to just signify that it's the new year. For me, it's cleaning my room, so I kind of waited until I was like not really mid-January, but like the first week of January, um to clean my room. So yeah, tell me what you did, whether that be buy a planner. I'm thinking about buying a planner, but I'm not necessarily the planner type. Most likely I'll probably buy a monthly calendar, but I don't need a monthly calendar because I have my phone. Like, it's just a lot. I'm still thinking about it, but let me know what is your favorite, or even what is your favorite thing. Like, what do you like to do to signify the new year, whether that be taking down Christmas decorations, like I said, but whether that be taking down Christmas decorations or getting a new planner, making up your bed, starting off the day with morning devotions, stuff like that. I have an early bedtime today, so just let me know. Just let me know what you guys like to do in the comment section below, because I really want to know what you guys like to do. And I see some of you guys are like watching the channel grow. Like, the channel is growing. Like, guys, our family is growing. Yeah, our family is growing, and I'm excited to see, like, you know, the new changes in 2020 that is going to happen. So I am going to sign off tonight, because it's already night. I'm signing off right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I would see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.